Did you know that affiliate marketing is projected to grow by over 10% this year alone? It's fascinating how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the industry, making it more efficient and effective than ever before. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a type of performance-based marketing where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales through their marketing efforts. And with the advancements in AI, marketers in 2024 are leveraging insights to enhance their strategies and achieve greater success. Despite its growth, affiliate marketing isn't without its challenges. Marketers often face stiff competition, difficulties in tracking performance, and the constant need to optimize their campaigns. It's a dynamic field that requires continuous adaptation and innovation. Explore how AI tools can provide valuable insights, automate processes, and improve decision-making for affiliate marketers. Highlight a case study or success story where AI significantly boosted an affiliate marketing campaign, showcasing the potential impact. Summarize the key points discussed, reinforcing the benefits of integrating AI into affiliate marketing strategies. Encourage viewers to comment with their experiences using AI in affiliate marketing and to check out your related videos for more tips.